The one I showed you, I think, a couple weeks ago, which is called Heygen, is insane. So Heygen is an AI software where you can create an avatar of yourself. So you go into Heygen, you sign up for an account, they'll let you do one for free right out of the gates, and they get you to look into your camera or upload a video of you speaking. It's actually better if you upload a video.
Let's pull this one up for the viewers as well, Aaron. So this one is, I'm not showing my screen right now. What is it called?
It's called Heygen, Heygen, Heygen.
Heygen AI.
So Heygen, as you're pulling it up, you can go create a video avatar of yourself. So you can either look in the camera and record a 30-second video, or you can upload a video of yourself talking into your camera. It doesn't matter either way you want to do it.
Yep.
And in 2 minutes, it will create a video avatar of you. So I have one exactly where I'm sitting right now with my picture behind me in my office, et cetera, et cetera.
Yep.
You can slightly tweak it. You can say, oh, I speak a little bit faster or a lower resonance or a higher resonance. But I tell you, the version it comes out with in one shot is amazing. And from that point, you can copy and paste text into Heygen. Doesn't matter how long the text is. And it will spit back out you reading that script.
So Aaron, let me ask you a question. So right off the bat, to get that template moving, you need to give it a video of like me talking right now for 5 or 10 seconds. I'm
absolutely.
Right? You talking about anything.
You can upload a video of you talking into your camera for 30 seconds that you had historically. Like we could upload our podcast, for example.
Right.
Or they just say, please read this script and look into your camera. It takes all of 2 minutes.
And then that template is basically buried in there for any future video production.
Correct. And now you've got the avatar created. You can now just take documentation and copy and paste the text and drop it inside of Heygen, and it will spit out you doing that video. I have had so many people say there's no way that this is real. This isn't you. No, it's me. I actually sent my son. I had him make an avatar in my office, and then he said, I don't believe this is going to be any good. So write a script that I would never say.
I think you showed me that. Yeah.
And that's right. And I sent it over to him, and it said something along the lines of, my dad is the most handsome man on the planet.
Yeah.
You know, he lifts more than I ever will. He'll still be able to beat me up when he's 90 years old. And I sent it over to him.
And I'm watching this going, he would never say that. Exactly.
Well, he posted it on his social, and his friends freaked out. They said, this is the craziest, to your point, deep fake scary technology I've ever seen in my entire life. So there's definitely downsides to it, but think about it from this perspective. When you're a business owner and you know you should be making content, right?
And you just can't.
You just can't. You're so busy, right? Now, you could literally go into ChatGPT, for an example, and let's say you were an insurance agent. Let's say you were that was your business, right? You go into ChatGPT and you say, please find me the 10 biggest concerns that customers have about signing up with an insurance agent. And it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? Here's their 10 biggest concerns. Now you say, okay, this concern number 1, write me a 500-word article about this concern. Boom, now it creates you a 500-word article. Now you take that 500-word article, you copy, you paste it into Heygen, and you say, Heygen, go make me a video saying this. Boom, it spits it out. Now you take it and you pop it into social. You could literally create thousands of pieces of high quality content. You could have somebody as a machine, like a human, just repeating this content engine over and over and over again. And now guess what? You and me, we're not the bottlenecks anymore. Because I don't know about you, but like in the agency, for example, we're trying to get clients to record ad videos all the time. We're trying to get them to re-record, VSLs.
And now you could get them to record something once.
Because the problem is I'm waiting on them. They got to get it in their schedule. They do it wrong all the time. So that one time
So
it's
you
got
guys
good
could
audio.
technically run the AI-powered tool for the client once you have that core template video, right? Is that what you're saying?
Exactly. I just want it one
So
from you.
the system we just looked at needs like a good, what, 20, 30 seconds, 10 seconds? How long does it need of the person talking before it goes, captured, I got it, now I can replicate it?
30 seconds.
So you have to talk for 30 seconds about something.
Yep.
And you could talk about anything. You just need to talk for 30 seconds, right?
And you just need to make sure that on that 30 seconds, you've got a good mic, you've got a good
Yeah, because it's going to
background.
replicate the environment.
Because it's going to replicate the environment. And that's one of the biggest things is the environment changes all the time with our clients. They're sometimes they're in the car, sometimes their mic is bad, sometimes their lighting is bad.
World, holy moly, man.
I mean, and now I could say, okay, I'm going to take 100 scripts, copy and paste into Heygen, and now I've got 100 ads done in 5 minutes.
Now, are you guys doing this yet in your agency? Because I know that you do a lot of YouTube and YouTube Reels, and I'm thinking about it for me because, you know, Aaron's team, by the way, you know, if you're watching the show for a long time, Aaron owns 7 Mile Media, which is a huge private boutique advertising company. I own Pipeline Pro, sales and marketing CRM. So they drive our traffic. And I'm like, we've done a few videos for Pipeline Pro. They've done okay. We do better with images, but why are we not doing a new video a week? Testing a new video or two a week. Once I do my 30-second script, I'm out.